Hello all and welcome to our channel EM Talkies. So today is 21st anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas, a day to remember and salute the brave soldiers of India. We won against them in Kargil, but we lost our dear ones in those hills. आओ देश का सम्मान करें, शहीदों को याद करें जो कुर्बान हो गए हमारा देश के लिए और हमारे लिए। उनके लिए हमारा सर झुककर सलाम करें। सल्यूट टू द ग्रेट सोल्जर्स ऑफ इंडिया। जय हिंद। तो आज मैंने मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाला था ये, क्या मुझे मूवीज का लिस्ट बोलना है जो कारगिल वॉर पे बेस्ड है। तो आप में से 80% एस करके वोट किए। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पे और एफबी पे फॉलो नहीं किए, जाके फॉलो करो, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो। टॉप 5 मूवीज बेस्ड ऑन 1999 कारगिल वॉर। Number 1, LOC Kargil, released in 2003. LOC Kargil is the story of Indian soldiers fighting in Kargil and being remembered by their family. This movie is directed by J.P. Datta and it's a multi-starrer film starring Sanjay Dutt, Ajay Devgan, Saif Ali Khan, Sunil Shetty, Sanjay Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan, Akshay Khanna, Nagarjuna Akkineni, आशुतोष राणा, रानी मुखर्जी, करण नाथ, मनोज बाजपेयी, करीना कपूर, रवीना टंडन, महिमा चौधरी, नम्रता सिद्धोकर, प्रीति जंगियानी, ईशा डियोल, ईशा कॉपीकर, प्रिया गिल, आकांक्षा मल्होत्रा and many more. The story of the film is the Indian government is quite aware that the Pakistan army is attempting to combat them. Worst of the Pakistani soldiers gets beyond the line of control, so the authorities get the necessary arms and ammunition ready as well as instructs the soldier to take up the position. What follows is a huge confrontation between the two leading to death, despair and sadness. After Pakistani forces intrude past the line of control into Indian territory, the government of India instructs the Indian army to defend its border. A confrontation takes place between the Indian and Pakistani forces, leaving many casualties on both sides. Number 2, Stumped. Stumped is a 2003 Bollywood sports drama film written and directed by Gaurav Pandey and produced by Ravina Tandon. This film is a debut for Ravina as a producer. Cricketing icon Sachin Tendulkar and actor Salman Khan had a cameo appearance in this film. Despite a notable promotional campaign, the film had little impact after its release. Plot of the movie is Reena experiences isolation after her husband is called back to Kar. She is befriended by three youngsters who have a crush on her. Things, however, change dramatically after she gets word that her husband is missing and believed dead. But by the end of the film, it is revealed that the husband is miraculously alive and reunites with Reena. Number 3, Lakshya. Lakshya is a 2004 Indian Hindi language war drama film directed by Farhan Akhtar and produced by Ritesh Sidhwani, starring Hrithik Roshan, Amitabh Bachchan and Preeti Zinta in the lead roles. Hrithik Roshan plays the role of Lieutenant, later acting as a captain, Karan Sergil, who develops from an aimless young man into an army officer. It is a coming-of-age story set against the fictionalized backdrop of the 1999 Kargil War. Plot of the movie is Karan leeches off his father's business and lives a lazy lifestyle. However, upon watching an action movie, he and some friends decided to enlist in the army, only to decide halfway through the course that it is not. This decision cost Karan the respect of his family and lover, so he resolves to return to the army and prove his resilience. Number 4, Tango Charlie. Tango Charlie is a 2005 Indian Hindi war film written and directed by Manish Shankar. The film stars Ajay Devgan, Bobby Deol, Sanjay Dutt, Sunil Shetty, Tanisha Nandan. The film presents the idea that real soldiers are not born but bred, as an interesting study of Indian terrorism, violence and valor. The Hindu newspaper called the film a visual treat with a daring theme and dares to enter where the Indian media shies away. Number 5, Mausam. Mausam is a 2011 Indian romantic drama film written and directed by Pankaj Kapoor under the Vistar Religare Film Fund banner. The film stars Shahid Kapoor opposite Sonam Kapoor in the lead roles. The film was originally scheduled to release on 16 September 2011, but due to the delay in obtaining the NOC from the Indian Air Force, it was pushed back further by a week, releasing on 23rd September 2011. The main story of the film spans over a period 10 years from 1992 to 2002 and includes references to demolition of Babri Masjid, Bombay riots, 1993 Bombay bombings, Kargil war, 9/11 attacks and post-Godhra riots. That's it for today guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family members. Next video is on top 6 South movies you must watch, coming soon. Thank you for watching this video from UM Turkish team. Bye.